When it comes to improving the exterior of your home, curb appeal is one of the most important factors to consider. The first impression your home makes can influence everything from your enjoyment of your living space to its market value. One of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal is through window replacement in Austin. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a refreshed look, replacing old, outdated windows with modern, stylish options can make a significant difference. Here's how window replacement in Austin can boost your home's curb appeal and make your property stand out in the neighborhood. Modernizing your home's aesthetic. Windows play a huge role in the overall appearance of your home. Over time, even the most durable windows can look worn out, with faded frames, cracked glass, or peeling paint. When you invest in new windows, it's an opportunity to upgrade the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you opt for sleek vinyl windows, classic wooden frames, or more contemporary styles like casement windows, the right window design can instantly refresh the look of your property. Window styles. Window replacement offers you the chance to select from a wide range of styles to match your home's architectural design. Popular styles like double-hung, picture windows, bay windows, or sliding windows can create a more modern and polished exterior, instantly elevating your home's curb appeal. Color choices. New windows come in a variety of colors and finishes that can complement the exterior of your home. Whether you choose neutral colors for a timeless look or more vibrant tones to make a statement, selecting the right color for your new windows can dramatically enhance your home's visual appeal. Increase natural lighting. Windows are more than just an exterior feature. They are also integral to how light flows into your home. Replacing old, small, or inefficient windows with larger energy-efficient windows can increase the amount of natural light that enters your living spaces. This not only makes the interior of your home brighter and more inviting, but it also improves the overall look and feel of the exterior. Larger windows. Installing larger windows or French doors can give the impression of a more open and airy space. This transformation can make your home appear more spacious and visually appealing from both the inside and outside. Reflective glass. Modern windows often come with reflective glass options that enhance the natural lighting while providing a sleek, clean look from the outside. Adding more natural light through strategic window replacement improves both the interior ambiance and exterior visual appeal, making your home more inviting to guests, passers-by, and potential buyers. Energy efficiency and sustainability. With Texas summers known for their intense heat, many homeowners are turning to energy-efficient windows to help with cooling costs and reduce energy consumption. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options not only improves your home's environmental footprint, but also enhances its appearance. Energy-efficient windows. Windows with low E coatings, double or triple glazing, and argon gas fills help reduce the amount of heat that enters your home. These windows help keep your interior cooler during the summer and warmer in the winter, all while improving the look of your home. The improved insulation offered by energy-efficient windows is a subtle yet powerful way to boost curb appeal. Sustainable choices. Opting for sustainable materials like recycled vinyl or wood and responsibly managed forests shows that your home is in line with modern eco-friendly trends. Not only does this improve curb appeal, but it can also appeal to buyers who prioritize environmental responsibility. Enhanced architectural features. New windows can be more than just a functional upgrade. They can also highlight and enhance the architectural features of your home. For example, replacing standard windows with bay windows or bow windows can create more dimension, making your home look more sophisticated and spacious. Similarly, arched windows or custom-shaped windows can add a unique touch that complements your home's existing design. Enhancing detail. Window replacements can draw attention to the best features of your home, such as a beautiful window trim, molding, or an exterior accent color. When installed correctly, new windows highlight the key architectural elements, enhancing your home's character and appeal. Cohesive design. Whether your home follows a modern, traditional, or rustic style, new windows can be selected to match that theme, ensuring that your home has a cohesive and polished exterior. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home, window replacement in Austin can significantly increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated and well-maintained windows, as they know they won't have to invest in window repairs or replacements themselves. Appeal to buyers. New windows are an attractive feature for home buyers, as they improve not only the home's appearance but also its energy efficiency and security. Homes with energy-efficient windows and modern designs can often command a higher price in the real estate market. Return on investment, ROI. According to industry experts, the ROI on window replacement can be substantial, with homeowners recouping a significant portion of the cost when they sell their property. The improved curb appeal, energy savings, and overall aesthetic make your home stand out to buyers and make it more likely to sell quickly. Improved security. Old windows often have weak frames or outdated locking mechanisms, making them more vulnerable to break-ins. Replacing your windows with impact-resistant windows or modern locking systems adds an extra layer of security to your home. Stronger windows. New windows come with reinforced frames, better sealing, and stronger glass, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. This added security feature gives you peace of mind and improves your home's safety, which is an attractive selling point if you decide to put your home on the market. Conclusion. Window replacement in Austin is an excellent way to boost your home's curb appeal while also improving its energy efficiency, security, and value. Whether you're looking to update your home's look, increase natural light, or enhance its marketability, new windows offer a combination of beauty and practicality that can make a significant difference. By investing in modern windows, you'll not only enjoy a more comfortable living environment but also increase the long-term value and aesthetic appeal of your home.